Welcome today on Saturday, Holy Saturday, in the daily newspaper of March the 30th, 2024. Yes, let me show you Saturday, March the 30th, 2024, almost end of the month. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. I will solve this in a minute, and this one is the regular Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve on Sunday evening, and in today's newspaper we have a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, another 3 stars, then the killer Sudoku, the binary puzzle. We have 2 of them with 3 stars, and the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. We have also an addition with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve on Sunday. And how about Monday? Monday is the second Easter day. Yes, Sunday is the Easter. There's no newspaper on Monday. I will do the rest of the puzzles of this weekend edition. Alright. Yeah. A lot of puzzles. The first one is the Medium Sudoku. Number 8275. 8275. Let me zoom this. Alright. 8275. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, a puzzle with 26 printed digits in additional should be a 2 stars puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 6 in the third column? 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then, let me see. How about the 7 in this row, 7 in the in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only place left, the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now. Four missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the second column. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. 4. 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about the 9? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next now only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here or there. We see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Now I can continue with the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two place level, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two place level, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, only two place level, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. 9, okay. 9, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row. In the third row, only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 2. I need a 3 here. Okay. And now, 9. Need a 5. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, 6, 6. Need a 3 here. 3. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so the first row, the only two place level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright, 2, 2. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 and 5 are left, 2 and 5. Alright, so we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So the 9 and the 5 are left in the middle column. We have 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9 then. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Alright, 2, 2. Then we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. The 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 place level the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the last column, so no 2 there. Only place level the 2 should be there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 place level the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes. That means in the middle row, we need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. The only place level the 2 should be here. Alright, 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes at there. Alright. Okay. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level the 5 should be there. 1. Oh wait. Need a 5 here. How about? Need 8 there. Need 8 there. Need 8 there. 8 there. Well. Need a 3 there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column. Only 2 places left, and the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places left, and the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column. Only place left of the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, okay. Then. How about 219? I need a 9 here. Okay. 1, 5, 7. Need a 7 here. 2 missing numbers now. Yeah. Should be the 7 and the 1. Yeah. 7 and 1. Well, in this column, we need a 7. Here can we 7? We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. That means in the here we have a 7. Here we have a 7. That means in the last row we need a 7. I cannot place the 7 there, because we already have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So the only place left of 7 in the last row should be there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 1. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the last row. Third row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So in that column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column. Last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left on the 5 goes together with the 7 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those. Alright, so here we have also 8 and the 9. Here in the third row, also 8 and a 9 as a pair. Here we have a pair, here we have a pair. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Alright, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left of 7 should be there. So 1 box left in the second row, I believe it's 9. Yeah, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left of the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 and a 9. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those. Here, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 9 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. Well, 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 well. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle plates. Until then, bye bye for now.